Happy Shabbat to you and yours on this gorgeous day. And part of your enlightenment is regarding the Ashkenazi and the Khazarians converts, right? Modern day Israelis. They are not the Bani Yasharali or Bani Yashara, which is the Israelites. They are the Israelis. And these are the people that are in conflict with the Islamic Arab Palestinian Gaza world. And so it's a painful thing to watch the lives of many people be destroyed as if it doesn't matter. But one thing for sure is that karma and the law, which is the Dharma, will judge the situation right. Happy Shabbat to you and yours.